I just got my first 3D printer. There's a Comic-Con right around the corner, so I thought, what better way to test it out than to make Leon's Silver Ghost and Primal Knife from RE4, along with Jill's Samurai Edge from Resident Evil 1. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I have no time to waste, so I'm gonna hop straight in. Stick around to see the end result. Do I look like Leon? Oh man, that's a beautiful paint job. It looks smudged, muddy, orange. Spray paint doesn't really like. Okay, you know what? Ah, there's paint on the floor.
Oh my god, have you seen the video of like the dude like drowning the baby? Where's my money, Jester?
What the fuck about? What the fuck?
6 hours of footage you saw condensed into just 2 minutes took place over only 3 days. If you appreciated our efforts, please like and follow for more content. Also, let us know what you would like us to make next.
Oh shit.